Okay, so let's first understand the adult circulation. I'm talking about an adult circulation right now, so that we can understand the difference between adult circulation and a fetal circulation. Let's say we have a right atrium right now. Hold your mobile phones vertically, yeah? Left atrium, left ventricle, and the left ventricle. So we have left atrium, the left ventricle. Now, what exactly happens on the right side of the heart? All of us know that the deoxygenated blood, I'm going to draw with the blue color, comes up in the right atrium, goes to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it goes to the lungs. From the right ventricle, it goes to the lungs. Through the pulmonary trunk, this is a pulmonary trunk. From the lungs, remember, it gets oxygenated and comes back to the left side of the heart through pulmonary veins. So oxygenated blood, I'm going to draw with the red color. Deoxygenated blood, I'm going to draw the blue color with the blue color. So it comes back to the heart, left atrium, comes to the left ventricle, and from the aorta, it is distributed all over body. All over body. When it is distributed all over body, the oxygen is given to the tissues that we understood during the respiration, and the carbon dioxide is taken. CO2 is added. So again, it becomes deoxygenated because oxygen to tissues ko de diya. Again, it comes back to the right atrium. Comes back to the right atrium. This is a simplified diagram which explains about the adult circulation. The adult circulation. This adult circulation में, if you can see properly, lungs जो है, remember, lungs are working as a relay station. Like I'm talking about something like this. Lungs are working as a relay between a right side of the heart to the left side of the heart. Because the right side of the heart ka blood, if you can see the deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs and become oxygenated and comes back to the left side of the heart. ये वाला हो गया अपना adult circulation. उसमें lungs जो है is working like a relay state. Relay मतलब junction between. लेकिन problem क्या है? In the fetus who is there in the mother's uterus, mother's womb, lungs are not functioning. क्योंकि बेबी तो ब्रीथ नहीं कर रहा है. Baby is not breathing. So ये कनेक्शन कैसे एस्टेब्लिश होगा? राइट साइड ऑफ द हार्ट टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द हार्ट. क्योंकि राइट साइड ऑफ द हार्ट का ब्लड गोज टू द लंग्स. इन एडल्ट में क्या होता है? राइट साइड ऑफ द हार्ट का ब्लड गोज टू द लंग्स एंड दैट कम्स टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द हार्ट. That goes to all over the body, again comes back to right side. This is what is happening in the adults. This is what is happening in the adults. लेकिन fetus में the lungs are not functioning. Lungs तो काम नहीं कर रहा. So how will this occur? How exactly will this occur? Now you can take a screenshot of this and then you can compare it with the adult fetal circulation. Then you can compare it with the fetal circulation. Screenshot you must have taken, because I'm going to erase this right now. I'm going to erase this right now. Just give me a minute. I'm also taking it. Let me erase this right now so that we can understand the fetal circulation. क्योंकि fetus में क्या है? Lungs are not functioning. Lungs तो काम नहीं कर रहा. If you can see, in the fetus, these lungs are not functioning. तो क्या होगा? अगर लंग फंक्शन नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि बेबी तो मदर्स के यूट्रस में, वहां पे तो एयर नहीं है. We don't have things which are connecting. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Remember what exactly happens. If you can see, there are few connections. If you can see properly, there is, if you can see, this is what is an oval opening, small opening. This opening connects the right atrium to the left atrium directly. This is what is called as a foramen oval. Let me have the name. Yes, can you see that? Called as a foramen oval. फोरामेन ओवल जो है डायरेक्टली राइट एट्रियम को लेफ्ट एट्रियम में कनेक्ट करता है, क्योंकि लंग्स का काम किसी ने तो करना चाहिए, राइट? ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू रीड फ्रॉम द बुक इट इज मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. So we have something that is connecting right atrium to the left atrium. That is what is one is foramen oval. Foramen oval. We also have, let me zoom this so that we can understand. Yes, this is what is the foramen oval, which connects directly right atrium to the left atrium. We also have something here. If you can see, this is what is, I'm going to mark with a dark color right now. That is what is connecting the pulmonary trunk to aorta. Of course, we don't have this thing in the adult circulation. We don't have this thing in the adult circulation. ये है ductus arteriosus. Ductus arteriosus. ये क्या करता है? पल्मोनरी ट्रंक कहाँ से आ रहा है? राइट वेंट्रिकल से. एओर्टा कहाँ से आ रहा है? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से. मतलब राइट वेंट्रिकल से जो आ रहा है पल्मोनरी ट्रंक, उसको कनेक्ट करता है लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल वाले एओर्टा को. मतलब इनडायरेक्टली राइट कनेक्शन टू द लेफ्ट. It's most easy to understand when you compare the adult circulation with the fetal circulation. तो एक वाला तो ये हो गया, दूसरा वाला तो ये हो गया. These are the two connections which is important in the fetal circulation, which connect the right side of the heart to the left side. Right side of the heart. बाकी सब चीजें same है. All the other things are same. Whereas what is going to happen in the lungs or in the liver also, क्योंकि liver में mother से जो oxygen आ रहा है वो baby को मिलना चाहिए. We also have one more one, ductus venosus. You can see this connects mother's arteries, you can see umbilical vein, to the aorta, inferior vena cava, sorry, to the inferior vena cava. तो मदर से जो ऑक्सीजन आ रहा है वो डायरेक्टली बेबी को मिल जाता है. बेबी को मिल जाता है. So if you can see, we have three things which are different in the fetal circulation. Let me summarize this. One, what we have is the foramen oval, which connects right atrium to left atrium. So we have ductus arteriosus, which connect pulmonary trunk to aorta. मतलब again right to left. And third, we have a ductus venosus, which connects umbilical veins to inferior vena cava. ये ऑक्सीजन के लिए है. ये तीन चीजें जो है ये फीटल सर्कुलेशन में डिफरेंट है, जो एडल्ट में नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट इज फीटल सर्कुलेशन. आपको डायग्राम थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके दिया. तो when the baby is there in the uterus, all these things are there in the baby. All these things are there in the baby. Foramen oval, ductus arteriosus, ductus venosus. As soon as the baby is born, baby जब भी born होता है तो lungs function करने लगते हैं. The lungs function करने लगते हैं तो foramen oval close down. Ductus arteriosus also closed down to become ligamentum arteriosus. वो ligament बन जाता है. Ligament मतलब fibrous tissue हो जाता है. And ductus venosus become ligamentum venosus. Ligamentum. So ये वाला जो है मैंने रेड में लिखा है. These are the changes. I'm sorry, 1 second. These are the changes that occur at birth. Birth में जो changes होते हैं. These are the changes that occurs at birth in case of circulation. बेबी जब भी born होता है तो इसका जरूरत नहीं है बेबी क्योंकि lungs started functioning. Lungs have started functioning. So foramen oval closed down. Ductus arteriosus become ligamentum arteriosus. Ductus venosus become ligamentum venosus. So इसका screenshot ले लो. These are the changes that occurs after birth. Changes that occur after birth. Again, important for the vivas, important for SAQ if you are supposed to write. Take the screenshot of this.